Hello, everybody. Again, Amber Hawkins, your computer needs a Toledo LLC, celebrating year number 15 of computer training and more that comes to you. Visit the website at yourcomputerneeds.net. If you have any questions, call or text to 419-304-4564. Part two of this quick Excel demo. As mentioned before, this is the 10,000, Lord have mercy, the 2010 version of Excel, which the updates and everything will be ending in October of this year, as mentioned in the previous video. What also was mentioned in the previous video was that a reminder, Windows 7 updates and support will end in about 10 days. Make sure you're prepared. What I didn't get to mention earlier was that the prices will go into effect. The 2020 rates from Your Computer Needs a Toledo LLC will go into effect this coming Monday. Take advantage of the discounts now, because come this Monday, 2020 rates will be in effect. The video ended, and I didn't know it ended. And I looked, I said, okay, let me go through this last step quickly and bring this back so that everyone can see what was going on. A quick demo again of how online computer training is done. I was changing these cells here, and that's what these are called in Excel. These cells, so that the formatting would be where the dollar sign is closer to the numbers. Another thing I had showed previously, instead of selecting the cell, double-clicking, I can't talk right now, double-clicking, and then selecting all the cells like so. A quicker way, select the cell, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, select the last cell that will be part of the series of numbers selected, click once, and there you go. Quicker. Two ways this can be done. You can go to, in the number group where it says the accounting number format, and that's what it's showing, but you want it to show currency. Click on the arrow, go to where it says more accounting formats, go here to the category that says currency. It shows a sample of how it's going to look. Make sure it is 2 decimal places, because this is the format where you want to see the 2 zeros behind the decimal point or the dot. Make sure in the symbol area, the dollar sign symbol is selected. In case it's not, click on the arrow, make sure that it is selected out of these selections. Where it says negative numbers, you do not have to worry about that, but if you want them to be shown, this is an example of how they're going to look. This would be for those that are involved in doing accounting or involved in doing bookkeeping. In adding the numbers, if there's some negative numbers to be shown, and why, as far as budgeting, that's why you see this here. You click OK, and the format is more to how you want it as far as currency. So that's it right there. Thank you again, everyone. If you have any questions, 419-304-4564. Your Computer Needs a Toledo LLC, celebrating year number 15 of computer training and more that comes to you. Thanks again, everyone, and take care.